Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I will be showing you ESPN Fantasy Football how to veto or trade. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To veto or trade in ESPN Fantasy Football, it depends on your league trade settings and whether you are a league manager or just a team owner. Now, in order to do it, first what you need to do is head over and open up your ESPN Fantasy app, and then once you're inside there, what you need to do is tap on the login option on the bottom of your screen, then enter in your credentials and log into your account. Then once logged into your account, go to your league and tap on settings icon, then simply tap on LM tools. Now inside, select pending trades. Now tap the trade in question, then tap veto trade to confirm. Now as a team manager, if league allows votes, go to the league home page, scroll to the pending transactions or trade review section, then tap the trade and tap vote against or veto. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.